If you tried to get serious about saving in 2025 and it didn't stick, it probably wasn't a discipline problem. It was a design problem. For years, we were told saving money meant cutting small pleasures, tracking every dollar manually, relying on willpower, following rigid percentage rules. But here's the shift we're seeing in 2026. The people who are saving the most aren't more disciplined. They're more automated. Saving hasn't become harder. It's become smarter. And if you're still using 2020 strategies in a 2026 economy, you're working harder than you need to. Here are 13 money moves that are actually working right now and how to use them strategically. 1. Automate micro savings because willpower fails. Let's start with something uncomfortable. If your savings plan depends on remembering to transfer money manually, it's fragile. In 2026, apps like Acorns, Capital, and Digit don't just round up purchases. They analyze your income patterns, detect underspending in categories, trigger transfers based on calendar events, adjust savings amounts dynamically. That means your system saves even when you forget. Here's the math most people ignore. If roundups plus smart transfers move just $8 per day on average, that's nearly $3,000 per year, without trying. Saving is no longer an act of motivation. It's background infrastructure. 2. Move your cash to 4 to 5% accounts. Stop losing quietly. If your emergency fund is sitting in a traditional savings account, earning 0.5% or less, you're quietly losing purchasing power. In 2026, high-yield digital wallets and fintech savings platforms are offering 4 to 5% APY, often with no minimum balances, instant access. No monthly fees. Let's put that in perspective. $10,000 at 0.5% equals $50 per year. $10,000 at 4.5% equals $450 per year. That's a 9 times difference for moving money to a smarter account. No sacrifice, no budgeting changes, just optimization. 3. Buy nothing before you buy anything. Coupon culture is fading. Community exchange is rising. Buy nothing groups and local sharing networks exploded in 2025, and they're stronger in 2026. Before buying baby gear, furniture, tools, small appliances, decor, ask, can I source this locally for free? People are giving away thousands of dollars worth of usable items every week. If you replace just 3 $150 purchases per year, that's $450 saved without clipping a single coupon. The real shift: stop asking, how can I get this cheaper? Start asking, do I need to spend it all? 4. Audit subscriptions. Quarterly, this is low-hanging money. Here's a number that surprises people. Canceling just $3 $19 per month subscriptions saves $684 per year. Streaming, fitness apps, cloud storage, premium trials. They pile up quietly. In 2026, tools like Rocket Money and Trim detect recurring charges, flag price increases, cancel services automatically negotiate bills. This is one of the easiest $500 to $1,000 wins most households ignore. And it requires zero lifestyle downgrade. 5. Grocery strategy is a core skill again. Grocery inflation hasn't fully normalized, but the response has evolved. In 2026, smart grocery shoppers plan meals around zip code-based sales, build core pantry systems, rotate freezer meals, track cost per meal, not cost per trip. If you reduce grocery spending by just $40 per week, that's over $2,000 per year. And it's not about eating less, it's about wasting less. The shift: intentional shopping greater than impulse shopping. 6. Use credit cards strategically, not emotionally. Old advice, just pay it off. New advice, design it. In 2026, smart users match cards to spending categories, stack sign-up bonuses strategically, track rewards inside budgeting apps, never overspend for points. If you're spending $2,000 per month and earning 2% cash back intentionally, that's nearly $480 per year. Not life-changing alone, but combined with other optimizations, it compounds. The rule: rewards are a bonus, not a reason to spend. 7. DIY before you outsource. Before calling a repair technician, people now. Watch guided YouTube walkthroughs. Use AI troubleshooting tools. Order exact replacement parts. Attempt informed fixes replacing a faucet. $30 part versus $250 service call. Fixing a dryer belt, $20 part versus $300 repair. Mending clothing, $0 versus constant replacements. Even doing 3 small DIY fixes per year can save $500 to $800. DIY in 2026 isn't reckless. It's digitally guided. 8. Try a structured zero-spend challenge. No-spend months used to feel extreme. Now they're strategic resets. In 2026, people use apps and online communities to track zero-spend streaks, dining out freezes, shopping pauses, category-based resets. The key isn't deprivation, it's awareness. Even one structured 30-day reset can reveal spending leaks worth $300 to $600. Streak psychology works. Use it. 9. Treat energy efficiency as a financial asset. Utility costs are rising. And in 2026, energy efficiency is a budget category, not just a green initiative. Examples: LED lighting swaps smart thermostats, portable insulation upgrades, even for renters, energy monitors. Cutting $50 per month in utilities saves $600 per year. Add tax credits or rebates for efficient appliances, and the ROI improves further. Energy efficiency is one of the most overlooked savings levers. 10. Fund your emergency account with micro-gig work. Cutting expenses has limits. Income doesn't. In 2026, many people fund emergency savings through freelance gigs, delivery shifts, online microtasks, skill-based platforms. If you earn $300 per month through flexible work and send it directly to savings, that's $3,600 per year. The mindset shift: side income isn't about grinding endlessly. It's about creating margin. Margin reduces stress. 11. Learn from finance creators. Carefully traditional advisors still matter, but millions are learning tactical money strategies from online creators. Why? Because creators show real budgets, real mistakes, real savings journeys, practical templates. Just remember, not all advice is equal. Follow creators who show numbers, admit mistakes, avoid hype, focus on systems, not shortcuts. Education is more accessible than ever. Use discernment. 12. Make budgeting visual because data drives behavior. Spreadsheets still work, but engagement matters more. Apps like YNAB, Good Budget, and Monarch Money. Visualize spending in real-time, track savings goals. Show progress dashboards. Gamify streaks. When you can see your money moving, behavior improves. If budgeting feels abstract, you won't stick with it. If it feels interactive, you will. 13. Let AI handle the small decisions. This is the biggest shift heading into 2026. AI financial tools now predict upcoming spending, suggest adjustments before overdrafts, flag unusual charges, recommend savings targets, auto-invest leftover cash. The goal isn't replacing your judgment, it's reducing decision fatigue. Because the truth is, most financial mistakes happen when you're tired. Automation removes fatigue from the equation, the bigger shift in 2026. Saving isn't about restriction anymore, it's about optimization. You don't need extreme frugality, you need better systems, better tools, smarter placement of money. Intentional automation, discipline alone is fragile. Design is durable. If you're overwhelmed, start here. You don't need all 13. Start with 3. 1. Move your emergency fund to a 4 to 5% account. 2. Audit and cancel unused subscriptions this week. 3. Turn on automated micro savings. That alone could free up $1,000 to $2,000 per year. Small upgrades compound. 5 years from now, the people who adapted to smarter systems will look disciplined. They weren't. They were optimized. And in 2026, optimization beats willpower every time.